tawagin niyo si Foggy. Foggy, Foggy, sobrang ayos ng Foggy. Foggy, Foggy, ipanis na kay Foggy. Foggy, Foggy, yes sir. Sobrang fresh, sobrang angas kung magaling ng leeg.
Work out with your shoulders, make sure you keep your head. Now do that type of dance, you gotta do